Hey guys, welcome to ICPE Garage, and today we're going to talk about, we haven't really done a lot to this on this channel, but with the S10. Yeah, she's a beaut, but not too long ago, we were, or me and truck, we were driving, and I was coming back from work, and she was leaking pretty bad oil when I was driving. Even when I was setting, remain seal went out. Fixed that. Then the oil pan was starting to leak really bad, and when I checked my coolant, there was oil in the coolant, so the head gasket blew. So then I decided to kill all the stones at once, and decided to yank this engine out, or in the process of yanking the engine out, so I could get this truck back on the road, because this is my daily right here. So yeah, I need to get back on the road. And I just want to say sorry that we haven't been making videos lately, because I don't think you guys know, but I got sick, wound up for a week, and I am just on the verge of recovering. And we just got busy trying to plan stuff for our YouTube videos and stuff like that. So we're sorry that we didn't make any videos lately, but we are going to try to do better on that. But with further ado, let's talk about the S10 and what I did to it so far. Well, I'm about to get my flashlight, so I will be back with the flashlight. Well, I'm back, and got the flashlight. Let me pull this back real quick. So we started doing this last, let's say, Wednesday. And so we were starting on this, but all the other parts that we took off so far, as you can see, yeah, we painted the head. Yeah, it's not the best job, but it looks better than what it was. Radiators there, fan, temperature sensor and shroud. And I am actually getting performance headers for this, and another glass pack for this, and it's on its way, so I'm gonna have to get this old one out of the way, this old exhaust. But yeah, so first what we did, we took the radiator out. We took the radiator out, and the radiator was not held in by any bolts, so held in by bolts or nuts, so that was helpful. It just popped out of these little, let me move this here. I don't know if you can see that too well, but that black piece there, it's a little clamp. Not clamp, but a little piece that holds it in. Then we took that out. We disconnected the, before we took it out, we disconnected the line, the transmission coolant line, and then we did that. Then we disconnected all the wires, like the battery. We did. Sorry about that. The battery. We disconnected the battery. Then we did like throttle body, possession sensor, we disconnected all the other sensors that we could be connected to, all that, so we were free. Then we had to take the cover off the top. We took the cover off the top. No, actually, no, we didn't. No, we did the temperature sensor first, and the whole shroud here, and we disconnected all the hoses to all different things that was connected to all that junk. Then we got all that. Then we disconnected the alternator bolt, which is held on still by one. Then we disconnected the power steering pump and system that was over here. That was connected to right here. I'll find it right there. And then big housing that held a pulley, that held power steering pump, the fan, all that stuff. We took that off. Like I said, this makes it easier when you got two men doing it, because all this stuff is heavy. So glad that my friend Ethan, that is also a founder of this channel, was helping me do this. And you may ask, why am I not in school? Well, so Thursday I got sick and I got sent home, and I had to get tested for COVID. So I got tested on Friday, haven't got back yet, but my fever went down for 48 hours, have no symptoms. So they won't let me come back to school unless I have my results. So I'm feeling good, no one's around. So I decide, what's the better thing to do? And I have no homework to work on, so start working on my truck. Or continue digging into the truck, I mean, of course. Then, after that, then I decided to take all the, what you want to call it, studs, here we go, studs, to hold the exhaust on, got that taken off, so the exhaust is pretty loose, it's just hanging. I still need to disconnect that sensor still, but that's probably going to be later when I do that. Then, as you can see, took the throttle body off, all that junk. And then, that's all I really got to as this, how this goes. So what my plan is, today I'm going to take the rockers and I'm going to take all that out so I can get to these bolts, the head bolts here. You can see it's orange, and there's, I believe, 4 more going along there besides those 2 that you've seen in the front. And then I can take the head off, and then we can access this other stuff, and then hopefully we'll be closer to pulling out this engine. So yeah, that's what my plan is for today here. But yeah, like I said, we're sorry for not putting up videos, but we're going to be trying to do that for you. And like I said, I've been sick. We've been planning stuff for videos, future videos and stuff, but we are trying. And the parts that we're going to stick on are right there on the top of the DVD, radio. Then we're going to paint the engine and clean it up with Chevy orange, and that's going to be awesome. And then while we're at it, we're going to replace, since we take the transmission apart, we're going to remain the seat. Take the, here, hold on a second. Here we go. We're going to replace the oil seal in the transmission. Well, we have the transmission out. And then all that, but that's what our plan is. And that's all that I have for you guys today. Well, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and there will be more coming on this truck when we start taking the engine out, cleaning it, spray painting it with professional paint and that stuff. So you guys have a wonderful day, and God bless.